Don't worry if you forgot your zip file password. Open browser and search for Kraken Password Recovery Tool. Now download it from this website. Then open and install it. Now go to your desktop. There you can find the Kraken tool folder. Open recovery folder inside it. Now copy and paste the file to be recovered into recovery folder. Run this file. Type Y and press enter. Now select those according to your need. This process may take time if the password is complex. This is the recovered password. Type Y and press enter to extract it. You can find the extracted folder in your desktop. Here is your extracted folder. Now you can extract the folder using the recovered password. It's working.